This is why you need digital tools. In today's fast-paced world, staying organized can be a challenge. But with the right digital tools, you can streamline your tasks, manage your time effectively, and boost your productivity. To stay organized and boost your productivity in a fast-paced world, digital tools are essential. They help you keep track of your tasks, manage your schedule, and ensure you never miss a deadline. Let's get started. First up, task management apps. These apps are designed to help you keep track of your to-dos, prioritize tasks, and ensure you stay on top of your workload. Trello, Asana, or Todoist help manage tasks efficiently. These apps allow you to create boards, lists, and cards to organize your tasks visually. Create to-do lists, set deadlines, and track progress visually. You can also assign tasks to team members, set priorities, and add due dates to ensure everything gets done on time. Use boards to organize different projects or goals. This way, you can see all your tasks at a glance and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Next, calendar and scheduling apps. These tools are crucial for managing your time and ensuring you stay on top of your commitments. Google Calendar, Microsoft Outlook, or Calendar let you plan your day, schedule meetings, and set reminders. These apps sync across all your devices, so you always have your schedule at your fingertips. Syncing calendars across devices means you'll never miss an important event. You can set up notifications to remind you of upcoming meetings, deadlines, and other important events. For note-taking and document management, try Notion, Evernote, or OneNote. These apps allow you to capture ideas, take meeting notes, and store important documents all in one place. Store notes, documents, and ideas all in one place. You can organize your notes into notebooks, tag them for easy searching, and even collaborate with others. Perfect for meeting minutes, brainstorming, or saving important information. These apps also offer features like templates, checklists, and integrations with other tools. Bonus Cloud integration gives you access anywhere. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, you can access your notes and documents from any device. Organize your files with Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. These cloud storage services allow you to store, share, and collaborate on files securely. Create folders, share securely, and access on the go. You can also set permissions to control who can view or edit your files. Use meaningful naming and folder hierarchies for clarity. This makes it easier to find what you need quickly and keeps your digital workspace organized. Password managers like LastPass or Dashlane store and autofill your passwords securely. These tools generate strong passwords and save them for you so you don't have to remember them all. Stay stress-free and safe with these handy tools. They also offer features like password sharing, security alerts, and multi-factor authentication. Stay focused with apps like Focus at Will, Pomodoro Timer, or Rescue Time. These apps help you manage your time, stay focused, and track your productivity. Work in structured intervals and analyze how you spend your time. The Pomodoro technique, for example, involves working in short, focused bursts with regular breaks. Communication and collaboration tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, or Zoom keep teamwork smooth. These platforms offer chat, video conferencing, and file sharing to keep your team connected. Centralize conversations and shared resources for better collaboration. You can create channels for different projects, share files, and integrate with other tools your team uses. Finally, automation tools like Zapier or IFTTT connect apps and automate repetitive tasks. These tools can save you time by automating workflows and integrating your favorite apps. Set reminders or file emails effortlessly. There you have it. With these digital tools, you can stay organized, manage your time effectively, and boost your productivity. Select the right digital tools, maintain discipline, and watch your productivity soar. Remember, the key is to find the tools that work best for you and integrate them into your daily routine. Stay organized, efficient, and stress-free. Until next time.